Alex stared at his money jar. It used to feel heavy. Now it felt empty. Alex hadn't bought anything big. No bike, no game console, no surprise toy. So why did his money disappear? This is a question almost everyone asks at some point. Kids ask it, teenagers ask it, adults ask it, sometimes with a lot more worry. Alex tried to remember. There was a snack after school, and a drink from the vending machine, and a game add-on that only cost a little bit. Just small things, tiny things, things that didn't feel important. But money doesn't disappear all at once. It leaks. Drop by drop, coin by coin. This is where many people get confused, because the problem usually isn't one big mistake, it's lots of small ones.
I didn't even buy anything good.
That feeling, that's regret. It doesn't mean Alex was careless. It means Alex was learning. Here's the difference Alex didn't know yet. A need is something you must have to live safely and healthily. Food, clothes, a home, electricity, school supplies. A want is something that feels good, but isn't necessary. Extra snacks, game skins and upgrades, collectibles, cards. Wants aren't bad, but they are sneaky. They whisper, "It's only a little. You deserve it. It won't matter later." And later is when people panic. Parents worry about this moment. They worry their child will grow up spending first and thinking later. They worry about debt, stress, arguments, regret. But here's the good news. Learning this lesson with a small jar of money is far safer than learning it later with rent, credit cards, or loans. Alex didn't lose his money. He lost track of it. Money doesn't care if something is cheap. Money only cares if you spend it. Every coin has a job. If you don't give it one, it disappears. This is where adults say, "Where did my money go?" And kids learn it early or late.
So I spent it on once before thinking about what I needed.
Exactly. And that moment, that click, is how smart money habits begin. Understanding needs and wants isn't about saying no forever. It's about saying, "Not yet, not like this, not without a plan." That plan protects future Alex and future families and future choices. But here's the next question. If Alex knows the difference now, why is it still so hard to save? Why does money feel powerful one moment and gone the next? That's a story for the next episode.